Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI, and I'm here to share my boys' latest toy obsession, Akedos. This set right here is the ultimate battle arena. It comes with two characters, Shreddy Bear and Glitchblade. However, this is compatible with any Akedo character, so you can pop off either one of these, and if you have additional characters, they're able to use this battle arena as well. My boys love that this looks like an arcade game. It has two different battle arena backgrounds. All you do is take this little piece of cardboard out and switch it over. You don't necessarily have to play with the background if you don't want to. On the back is a little platform where you can set other Akedo characters. It has 35 different battle sound effects. And this also can be set up as like a training arena. So it comes with an extra piece that clips on top where you can have your characters train. So my boys are typical boys. They love to wrestle, they love to roughhouse. So they enjoy this toy because they're battling fun characters. So if you have little boys, I think this would also be a huge hit for them. And that's our point of view.